How does the EEOA protect Latino students' language rights? Imagine walking into a classroom where your native language is not spoken or understood. It can feel confusing and isolating. Now, picture a law that steps in to change that. That law is the Equal Educational Opportunities Act of 1974. It was created to make sure all students, especially those who speak languages other than English, get a fair shot at learning. This law says schools must take appropriate action to help students overcome language barriers. If a student speaks Spanish at home, the school can't just ignore that. Instead, they need to identify students with limited English skills and give them support. This support can be in the form of bilingual education or English as a second language programs. These programs teach students academic subjects while helping them improve their English skills. The law was inspired by a Supreme Court case called Lau versus Nicholas. That case made it clear that ignoring language differences for students of national origin minorities is a violation of their right to equal education. The Equal Educational Opportunities Act made this principle official. It says schools cannot deny students access to education because of language. Schools are encouraged to use different methods to help students learn English. Some might use bilingual classes where students learn in both their native language and English. Others might use English as a second language programs that focus on teaching English quickly so students can join regular classes. The law does not specify exactly how schools should do this, but it does requiring that the methods are effective. The law also gives students and families the right to take legal action if schools do not provide proper language support. This helps prevent discrimination based on language or where a student comes from. It protects students from being segregated or denied equal opportunities because of language barriers. In real life, the EEOA has helped many Latino students access bilingual education and language assistance programs. These programs improve their chances of doing well academically and feeling included in school. However, how well the law is enforced can vary from state to state. Some states have resisted bilingual education or pushed for English-only policies, which can hurt Latino students' progress. Overall, the Equal Educational Opportunities Act is a key tool that safeguards Latino students' language rights. It makes sure schools recognize and support their language needs. This helps create fairer, more inclusive learning environments where all students can succeed.